And funny enough, Evie scared of the big lobster. She refused to stand next to it. Why are you so scared?
Lobster.
Oh, you scared of lobster? Yeah. She's scared of the lobster.
And it's so weird.
It looks so big. Okay, we can pick up one of the biggest thing in Australia now. We just pulled over at the grenade, and then Justin is currently dropping down the tire. He said he gonna do another beach drive, and then I saw Just Van in it. It's a YouTube channel that I sometimes watch their video, and sometimes I saw it on YouTube. They just park right here. We can find pippies here, but I think it's out of season, so we couldn't find any. Justin took out the shovel and he tried to duck up the pippy, but there's none. For the past 3 days, I got to see sunset on water. It's so beautiful. So lucky that we stay here in Kingston town. Such a beautiful town. Lovely caravan park, and what can I say? The sunset every day here, it's just so beautiful, and the weather is not so bad either. over to check out the Big Olive. Unfortunately, they only operate Monday to Friday, so they are closing today. There is gate there, so we can't get inside. And they only do weekend tour pre-booking only. So yeah, we can't come in and take pictures of the Big Olive. I'm just gonna video here and take pictures. drove to end of town to looking for the big strawberry, but then it turned out the big strawberry is actually at this farm here, and then when we went inside, it turned out the strawberry was not as big as we expected it to be, but I still videoed anyway. Tomorrow is Justin's birthday, so I asked him what he liked to do for his birthday. He said he just want to eat all-you-can-eat sushi. So since that we're here in Adelaide City, we thought we just gonna do it, let him eat his sushi so that he can be happy about it.
Also in a ponzu sauce. You like ponzu?
morning. We are leaving Adelaide today. For the past 2 nights, we have stayed in Siloh Hills RV park. I think we pay like $32 for power side. I have done a lot of laundry. Yesterday it was a little bit sunny and then it started raining, so I end up have to use the clothes dryer to dry our clothes. And now we are going inland. We have to fix our water tank number 2 is having problem, and caravan won't be available until I think like mid-April, so we book in. And then Kangaroo Island is also busy, so we couldn't go this time. We have booked after we put our caravan in service, so now we decided just to go inland. So we are heading making our way all the way to Mildura, probably Broken Hill, and then come back. This is so funny. Justin said that he got a birthday voucher from Nando's that he need to use because today is his birthday, and then he drove all the way here, which is I'm not sure, is on our way to our next campsite, which is in I think Waikerie. And then when we drove here, we found out that the Nando was closed. Like there were a few other shop is also closed as well. We're not sure why, but lucky for us there is McDonald's and KFC, which is about 5-minute walk from here. Poor Justin, he couldn't use his Nando's voucher. Our caravan there, and over there is Nando. Okay, so we just had our lunch. We had Hungry Jack and KFC. It's Justin's birthday, so he got a free water. And now we are continue our way traveling inland or going overland.
Going to new place.
And where's that new place?
Waikerie or whatever.
Waikerie or yeah, and there is a Siloh art there as well. We have finally arrived in Waikerie town. Justin is just gonna do the dunny and filling up our water before we are going to our campsite. This is what we always do, trying to find water maybe 10 or 5 kilometers away from the camping site, so that we don't carry a full tank of water while driving on the road. And guess what we found? It seemed like this place they grow a lot of orange. There are so many orange farms when we drove past, and the dump point just located outside of Nippies. I think it's a orange juice brand. Today is very windy. While we're driving on the highway, Justin saw our clothesline fell off, and then when we finally managed to find an area to pull over to check it out, and then when he did, the clothesline completely gone. It's like I think it's got blown away by the on the highway somewhere, so I think now we have to buy a new one. Yep, there's nothing there.